Click on line, then specify first point. Suppose I want straight line, make ortho mode on. Take your cursor to the direction where you want to draw a line. Suppose I want to draw a line in this direction. Specify length. Suppose I want line of 1000 length. Then press enter. Suppose I want to create it above. Take your cursor above and again specify length and enter. If in your case this length dimension is not visible, that means your dynamic input is turned off. Suppose I will turn it off. When dynamic input is off, your length will not be visible. So for this to work properly, your dynamic input should be on. Now here it is showing the length. Then if this switch is not visible to you, then click on these three lines, customization, and from here you can make it visible or invisible. I will click here. Now dynamic input button has been removed from here. Suppose again I will click here. Now dynamic input is shown again. So to display this dynamic input button here, you need to have tick before dynamic input. Then only it will be shown here. And to specify length, it should be turn on. That means it should be in blue color. Press enter. So in this way you can create a line with specific length. So that's all. Thanks for watching. We will stop here.